Hey there, I wanted to show you one of the ways you could use our point of view videos that we've included. So I made a Google slide. This is just a simple one, shopping at Walmart. I've embedded some of the point of view videos that we filmed at Walmart. So my second page is just the directions. And then the next pages, those are each grocery lists. So I have our grocery list over here. There is a shopping cart. I put our video over here, and then over here I have a field of 3 items that the kids will choose from to match and take the item and drag and drop it to the grocery cart. Okay, of course you want to make the kids have their own copy so your original doesn't get changed. Another slide I did, this is a more specific skill. So rice-a-roni is on the list. So what I did is I included something that might be a little more challenging where the items are more similar. So rice-a-roni, a bag of plain white rice, and then pasta. And then another example of how you can really simplify it for our non-readers is I just included the graphic of the image. So there are Oreos here. Here's our video of the Oreos. And then right here, I narrowed it down to a field of just 2. And I included a non-food item to hopefully narrow it down further. To even simplify this, you could take out the beach ball. You could just do the only option is, where it would be more matching, is the Oreos, drag and drop it to the cart. So hopefully that gives you some ideas on ways to use our videos. I'd really like to hear how you're using them. Thanks. Have a good day.